Hello everyone. Today I've got another cool thing to show you called MsBot. And you might be wondering, what is MsBot? MsBot is an app that you can get on a website called tweakvalley.com. And this app will allow you to get free Microsoft points added to your Microsoft account. So I'm going to show you right now the app. I'm going to show you what it does. So you can see I've already got a few points generated, and if you want more, and you can use these things for things like Roblox, you can use them for Xbox Game Pass, you can even use them for gift cards and Skype Unlimited if you're into that. If you still use Skype, what you need to do is hit that button right there that says Auto Farm. Hit that. It'll bring up this menu. Let's just go for 5,000 right now. And once you hit that button, you can see that it's starting to generate points already here. You can see them going up in real time. Look at that. So if you're interested in this, then stick around because I'm going to show you how to get it. The first thing you want to do before you download anything is to go to your settings app on your phone. Go down to battery right there. Once you go to battery, you'll see that low power mode is off for me. It might not be for you, but what you need to make sure is that it is off. If it's not off, your app will not download properly. So the next thing you want to do is go, it's still in your settings, you need to go to General. And then once you're in General, you need to go to Background App Refresh right here. And once you're in Background App Refresh, you can tell if it's on or off. It needs to be on. If it's not on, it will also affect the way your app downloads and functions. So make sure it's on. Now, to download the app itself, we go to our web browser. We go to a website called tweakvalley.com. It looks like this once you arrive. If you want to play around with any of these other apps, you can do that, but right now we're focusing on MsBot. So go to the search bar and type in MsBot. There it is right there, and you hit install. And you just need to wait a minute or two, and it will start the download process, and I'll show you what to do when that finishes. Alright, so now that it's finished downloading, it's going to ask us some questions. It wants to know if we want to download it. We do. We hit allow, and then now it's saying we can review the profile in our settings, which we will do by going to the settings, going back to general, where background app refresh was, and you can go all the way down to VPN and device management right here. Hit that, and you will see there it is, waiting to be finished downloading. Now when you click on that, you have to hit install in the top, and then you put your password in, and you will see that you just need to click next on giving consent to downloading this, install again at the bottom, and you should be done. Let's go see if it worked. There it is, guys. Download it on the phone. Like I said, if you want free Microsoft points to use them however you wish, then this is your app.